Here I've got Alcatel One X 2019, and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at first you have to turn off your phone. To do it, just tap on power key and hold it for a while, and then select power off. So the middle tab, click on OK to confirm your decision and wait a couple of seconds until it's shut down. Once it's off, just tap on power key and volume up key and hold both keys all together. And once you hear the vibration, just leave it and wait a couple of seconds. Now you're in Android recovery mode, so here you can navigate by using volume keys, and for selection use power key. So at first you have to pick the language. I will stay with English, so smoothly click on power key and now locate wipe cache partition, so it's right here. Then tap on power key to select yes to confirm and tap on power key to do it. As you can see, cache wipe complete, so all you have to do now is to tap on power key in order to reboot system now. And as you can see now, you can use your device in a normal way. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.